What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a payment on the Zip app in just a few quick, easy steps. The first thing we'll do is tap into our Zip app. We'll get logged in. Next, you'll tap on Orders at the bottom of the screen. On this page, you can see your past orders. You can also see the current order that you're making payments on. The purple bars represent which payment you're currently on. 1 bar represents the first payment's been paid, 2 bars means 2 payments have been paid, 3 bars means 3 payments have been paid, 4 bars means your whole thing has been paid. Usually these payments are split into 4 different installments. To pay your bill, you're going to tap on this rectangle. It'll say pay and then an amount. At the top, you'll have an option to pay off your remaining balance. It'll tell you what the remaining balance is, or if you just want to pay off one installment, you can select from the menu below. You also have an option to change your payment schedule on this page. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope this helped you figure out how to make a payment on the Zip app quickly and easily. If you found this video useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more quick videos like this one. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or ideas for future videos. I'd love to hear from you, and I'll see you in the next one.